In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fill a shape with an image here in Canva. Now, there's a certain way to do this because we can't just put images into normal shapes. Now, this is a normal shape, but this is a Canva frame. Now, this is what we're going to need to use. Now, Canva frames have everything for every different type of shape. Now, to find these, if we come over to Elements, we can click on there. We can come down, keep scrolling and find frames. Then we have basic shapes just here and we can choose the one that we want. Now for this example, I've gone with a square. Now if we go back one, if we click on shapes, this right here, this blue one, is just a normal shape. And again, we can't use that. But now, once we have our Canva frame, we can simply drag and drop our image into that frame. So if we have an image that we want to use, we can simply grab it, drag, and put into the frame just like that. Now we can also just click onto the image like that, so it adds it to the canvas, and then drag it in. Now if we look over here, if we try and drag it into this normal shape, obviously we can't do that because again, we need to use a Canva frame. Now if the image doesn't look right, we can simply double click onto the Canva frame, and then we can edit, drag, and make bigger to get it how we want. And we can also use expand if you have a Canva Pro account, smart crop, and we can rotate this image within the Canva frame as well. Then once we're done, we can simply click done. But nonetheless, that's just how simple it is to fill a shape with an image here in Canva. Now, if you found this video helpful at all, then please consider giving me a like, as it really helps out the channel. And if you're not too sure what to watch next, well, click right here and watch this playlist packed of Canva tutorials.